Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you are doing well. So here I am with the solution of 4 to 5 mark questions, okay, from this state level SSLC examination. It is preparatory examination which was conducted on 24th Feb 2022. So the questions are very important. You can practice them well, okay, and you may expect similar or the same type of questions in your exam. Okay, so it's better to prepare them well. Okay, so let us start. But before that, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe it, and after watching this video, please do watch it completely, because I'm going to explain with some tricks and tips which might be useful in your exam, okay, which you might have not seen anywhere from your teacher or from your friends or whatever. Okay, so those tricks you will get only in this video, so do watch it completely. Okay, so with that, let me start the first question of fifth main. Okay, it's mentioned as 34. So in your exam also you have to write it as 34th answer or 34th solution. Now see, they have asked find the solution of pair of equations by graphical method. Okay, so you have two equations, you'll get two values of x and y. Okay, uh, as well as here x and y you'll get. Now this value you will plot in a graph. You'll get something like an intersecting line in the point which is intersecting. Okay, that will be your solution. Okay, that is the thing, but I will tell you a trick. See what you can do in rough note, not in your final exam. You just need to find these values using any of the elimination or simplification substitution method. Why, I will tell you. See, if you solve it, x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus y is equal to 4. Okay, on elimination method, by adding these two, you'll get 3x which is equal to 9. So x is equal to 9 by 3 and this is 3. See, you have got the value of x as 3. Means from this graph also you'll get the value of x as 3. What about y? You can substitute in this. So y will be 5 minus 3. Correct? It is 2. So you already have the value of x and y. From graph you should get the same value, 3 and 2. Only then it will be correct, or else it's wrong. Now why I did this? First, you can verify this answer. Second, see, while solving this graphically, you need to take the values of x and y, right? I'll show you. See here. So if I take this equation, x plus y is equal to 5. What will be y? Y is 5 minus x. Now you need to write this, correct? You need at least three values, x and y. So from where are you going to start? Either 1, 2, 3 or 4, 5, 6 or 7, 8 or 0 or minus 1. We don't know that, right? So that the value which you find using elimination method, what was value of x3? Now that value you can substitute in this box 3. Okay, and just take the next box as addition of 1, 3 plus 1, 4, and here subtraction of 1, 3 minus 2, 1. Sorry, 3 minus 1, 2. So you can just take the values 2, 3 and 4. That will be more than enough. Okay, so see, when x is 2, what will be y? 5 minus 2, how much is that? 3, correct? Now when x is 3, substitute this value, y will be 5 minus 3 and that is equal to 2. Got it? And when x is 4, y will be 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1. Okay, this is from the first equation. Now look at the second equation, and it is given as 2x minus y is equal to 4. Now we need y in positive, okay, in form of plus y. So I will transfer this to RHS. So this becomes 2x minus 4. Got it? Or y is equal to 2x minus 4. Now again you need this box. Let me write it again. X, y. You need three values. So again you take the center value as the x which you got, 3. And here 4, here 2, 2, 3, 4. Now in this, when x is 2, what will be y? Y will be 2 into 2 minus 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. Got it? When x is 3, y will be 2 into 3 minus 4. So 6 minus 4 is how much? 2. And last, when x is 4, what will be y? It will be 2 into 4 minus 4, that is 8 minus 4, which is equal to 4. So you got the value of y as 0, 2 and 4, and here 3, 2 and 1. So if you see this, here also you've got same, and here also you have got same. So now this, using two values of x and y, you need to plot the graph. So graph is simple. Okay, you have to write here 0. This is x-axis, this is y. Now in this first equation, using this, you got the highest value of x as 4 and smallest 2. So you can just, and here also 2, 3, 4. So you can just start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in y, the highest is 3, here the highest is 4, smallest is 0. So again, you can take the unit as 1 itself, 3, 4, 5. So you can write here scale. What is scale? Along x-axis, we have taken 1 unit is equal to 1. Right here, this is called as 1 unit, and this is 1 unit of y-axis. Along y-axis, 1 unit is equal to 1. Now just mark the points. So when x is 2, y is 3. So 2 and 3, it will come here. When x is 3, y is 2. So 3 and 2, it will come here. And when x is 4, y is 1. So it will come here. Just join them using scale. And this is for which equation? You have to write that. Yes, x plus y is equal to 5. Now note the second one. When x is 2, y is 0, right? So x is 2, y is 0. It will come here. When x is 3, y is 2. 3, 2. It will again come here. When x is 4, y is 4. So it will come somewhere over here. Now just join this using scale. It will also form a straight line. Now this is for which equation? Yeah, you have to write that 2x minus y is equal to 4. Now these two lines are meeting at a common point. What is that? Yes, that is 3 comma 2. So from the graph, wherever this point, these two lines are meeting, that is our value of x and y from the graph. Okay, the value of x and y, or else you can write the value of x is 3 and y is 2. That's all. Okay, so if you write this much, you will get full marks. Got it? And in maths you have step marking. So you'll get for this you may get 2 marks, and for this graph you'll get 1.5, and very important, for this scale you'll get half marks. So don't forget to write this scale. Got it? I hope the answer is clear. Okay, and one more very important thing. See, you might have confused why you took why do I took here -1 as well as +1. Why can't we take 2, -2 or +2? See, in this equation, whenever after taking LHS as y, you'll get something like this in RHS. Now in RHS, if you look at denominator, what do we have? We don't have anything. It means what? It is 1. So when in RHS it is 1, you have to just subtract 1 and add 1. And if it is more than 1, like 2, so subtract 2, add 2. If 3, subtract 3, add 3. Same with this case. Understood? Yeah, so that type of problem I have solved in some of my videos. I will provide the link below. You can watch it from there and learn. Okay, now moving to question number 35. I hope you have understood this. Yes, so let us solve 35th question. There is another question of 35. I will solve that also. Okay, so let me solve this first. So this is our second question, question number 35. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train, okay, to travel 132 km between two towns A and B. If the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than that of the passenger train, find the average speed of these trains. So you have two types of express train and passenger train, correct? So now see, an express train, it takes 1 hour less then the passenger train. So these two, if they are traveling as per question, from A to B, if they are traveling, the distance between A to B is 132 kilometer. Okay, now if passenger train, it takes t hour. Okay, t hours or hour, this will take 1 hour less. It means what? It will take t minus 1 hour or hours. Okay, now if the average speed of express train is 11 kilometer per hour more than that of passenger train, so I will take the speed as s. Okay, speed is kilometer per hour. If this passenger train speed is s kilometer per hour, what is this? It is 11 kilometer per hour more. The speed of express train is 11, means s plus 11, correct, kilometer per hour, that of the passenger train. Now we need to find the what? We need to find the average speeds of these trains. Okay, means you need to find s, and here s plus 11. Got it? So we have the formula. You might have learned this in physics classes or science classes, that speed is equal to distance by time, correct? So this we are going to apply in this question. Okay, see here, in both the cases, here s is speed and t is time. So speed is equal to distance by time. What is distance? 132 by time is t. Here what is speed? Yes, you have to write that s plus 11 is equal to distance remains the same divided by t minus 1. So these are the two equations. This is 1 and this is 2. Now we need to either replace s of this equation with equation number 1. So you can write substitute s is equal to 132 by t in equation number 2. Correct? So what will happen? S, this equation number 2 is this. So there s is, we have to write it as 132 by t plus 11, which is equal to 132 divided by t minus 1. With this, after solving, we will get a quadratic equation in the form of the variable t. On solving that, you will get time, and using this equation, you will get the speed. Got it? So see, how are you going to solve? Here you have to take LCM t. So this becomes 132 plus 11t, and this becomes 132 divided by t minus 1. Now do the cross multiplication, you will get 132 plus 11t into t minus 1, and here in the RHS you will get 132 into t. Now multiply this, so you will get 132 into t minus 1 plus 11t into t minus 1, which is equal to 132t. Now multiply this, 132t minus 132 plus 11t square, and here you'll get minus 11t, which is equal to 132t. Now this 132 are in the both LHS RSS, so they will get cancelled, and here you can write this as 11t square minus 11t minus 132 is equal to 0. Now if you see, 11 is common, so just divide it by 11. Okay, so this becomes t square minus t minus 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22. So this is the equation. Now on solving this, you can solve using factorization. So minus 12, and here you have minus 1. So just by 4 threes are correct, you will get this. So t square minus 4t minus 3t, sorry, plus 3t minus 12 equals to 0. So if you take t common, you will get t minus 4, and here if you take what, plus 3 common, again you will get 3 minus 4, which is equal to 0. So t minus 4 is common, you will get t plus 3, which is equal to 0. So on substituting both of them equals to 0, you will get t as plus 4 and here t as minus 3. Now time cannot be negative, so we'll take this positive value. So the time is 4, and since it is in hours, we'll write 4 hours. The time taken by which train? Yes, it is passenger train is t hours, which means 4 hours. And what about its speed? Speed is equal to 132 by 4, right? So how much is this? So 4 3 is a 12 and 4 3 is a 12, 33 kilometer per hour. This was the speed. What about the express train? It is s plus 11, right? So it means 37 33 plus 11, which is equal to 44 kilometer per hour. So this is the speed of passenger train and this is the speed of express train. I hope you have understood this. This type of problem you can expect in your final exam. Okay, so let us move to the OR question. So this is your OR question, right? They have given find the roots of the following equation: 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 equals to 11 by 30, and x should not be equal to 4 and x should not also be equal to 7. So it's very simple, just take the LCM and solve. I will show you. You have to reduce this first, which is equal to 11 by 30. So take LCM in the LHS. So you'll get x plus 4 into x minus 7. I hope you know how to take the LCM. Okay, so these two will be the LCM. Now here this you have to write, do the cross multiplication. So at the place of 1 you have to write x minus 7, and here it is minus. At the place of this one you have to write x plus, doing the cross multiplication you'll get x plus 4. I hope you have you know how to solve this. Now this keep as it is. So removing the brackets, x minus 7 minus x minus, what is this, 4, divided by, again multiply with the this way values. Okay, you'll get 11 by 30 again. Now here both x will get cancelled, and minus 7 minus 4 is how much? Minus 11, divided by, here you'll get x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 28, which is equal to 11 by 30. If you see, both numerator have 11, so 11 ones are 11 ones. Here you'll get minus 1, so this becomes minus 1, which is x square minus 3x on solving this minus 28 equals to 1 by 30. Now do the cross multiplication. You'll get minus 30 is equal to x square minus 3x minus 28. Now bring this to RHS. You'll get x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30. Okay, and this is equal to at 0. So on solving this you'll get x square minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. Got it? You got the equation. Now solve this using either of formula method or factorization. Factorization seems easier, so I'll do using that. So this is 2 ones, both of them are minus. We'll get, means this you have to write here, c, a into c value, and b value you have to write here. You need two numbers such that when you multiply you get 2, and when you do the sum of those two numbers you'll get minus 3. Okay, so I'm solving, hoping you know them. Minus 1x plus 2 equals to 0. So take x common, you'll get x minus 2. Here minus 1 common, so you'll get x minus 2 again. So x minus 2, if you take out common, you'll get x minus 1. So therefore x minus 2 is 0 and x minus 1 is 0. So x is 2 and x is 1. So these are the two values, and they have asked that x should not be equal to minus 4 and minus 7. So they are not minus 4 and minus 7. We have got different values only. So this is the correct answer. Okay, I hope it's clear. Moving to the next question, and a very interesting question. Okay, so let us start. But before that, do press the like button if you have not liked the video yet. Okay, so let us start. So this is the question. A building on the ground is in the form of a conical tomb surmounted by a cylinder of height 10 feet as shown in the figure. Okay, so this is the building, if you can see. okay, cylindrical shape you can see here, and on this there is a conical dome surmounted by this cylinder, and they have given the measurements in feet. They have not given in meter or centimeter as they always give in the textbook. So no need to panic, okay, there is no need to take this as a headache. It's very simple. It is in feet, solve it in feet itself, okay, no need to worry. So how to approach this question? Let me finish the reading part first. Now see, you got this is the building. Here, from a point P on the same ground, the angle of elevation of top of edge of the cylinder. Okay, so this is cylinder. So this is the top of edge, that is C. They have given it as how much? 30 degree. You have to see this from this line. The angle from horizontal to this line. It is 30 degree if you look at it carefully. Got it? Yes. Now in the angle of elevation to the vertex of the cone is A. From there it is 45 degree, okay, like this. How much is that? It is 45 degree. If the diameter of the outer edge of the circular base of cylinder is 9.4 feet, yeah, they have given this diameter, okay, is how much? 9.4 feet. Then find the height of the conical shaped dome. So you need to find this A E. Got it? AE. This height you need to find. So if I draw this figure, okay, roughly like this, so it will look somewhat like this. Okay, I'll name the figure as it's mentioned. Okay, see, this is A, this is E, this is B. Okay, and yes, this, if you see, EC is same as BD, correct? Isn't it? So I will take this as E itself, but I will write here EC is equal to BD. Okay, any doubt? So it means what? EB is also equal to CD, right? These two are also equal because they are the opposite sides of triangle if you look at the figure carefully, correct? So even this will be 10 feet, and this angle is again 30, and this total angle is 40, okay, from this, and this point is angle P, side point P. Now see, using this is 45, sorry, using this, that is EBP, look at it carefully. Let me use different color pen so you may get it in a proper way. Yes, this is 30, correct? So in EBP you have this angle as well as this opposite side. If this is theta, opposite side is EB, and this is adjacent, correct? Hypotenuse is EP. We need to find BP first, correct? So using tan 30, we'll get opposite side by adjacent. I hope you know this trick, correct? O by A. What is O? It is EB divided by what is A? It is BP. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3, which is equal to EB is how much? Yes, it is 10 divided by BD. BP is as it is. So doing cross multiplication, we get BP as 10 root 3. Write it as feet. Okay, you can write just FT. It means feet. Don't write meter because rest of the values are in feet. I hope you have understood BP. Now using the same figure, you need to take the larger part, the bigger part. This is P. Now angle is 45. This is A and this is B. We know that BP now, correct? BP is how much? Yes, it is 10 root 3. We need to find AB first. So again, this is theta, this is opposite, this is adjacent. So use the same thing. Tan 45 is equal to opposite, which is AB, by adjacent, which is 10 root 3. So tan 45 is 1. So AB by 10 root 3. On doing cross multiplication, we'll get AB also equals to 10 root 3 feet. Right? Now see, we have AB, but if you look at this figure carefully here, what is AB? AB is equal to AE plus EB. We have AB, we have EB, we don't have AE. So what will be AE? It will be equal to AB minus EB, correct, if you transfer this to LHS. So AB is how much? 10 root 3 minus what is EB? It is 10. So on solving this, if you take 10 common, you will get root 3 minus 1. If you leave this much, that's enough. But see, they have given take root 3 as 1.73. So you have to solve this all as well. So 10 into 1.73 minus 1. So 10 into what is this? It is 0.73. So on solving this, we'll get 7.3 feet. What is this? What is this? The value of AE. This is not AB. AE. AE is 7.3 feet. Now what is AE in this figure? It is what? Yes, it is the height of the conical shaped dome. The height of conical shaped dome is 7.3 feet. You can write this, okay, and that will be your answer. I hope it's clear and you have understood. Hoping that, let me move to the next question. So here the question they have given is of construction part. Constructions. Construct a triangle ABC with side BC, AB as 5, BC as 7 and AC 6. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 3 by 4 of the corresponding sides of triangle. So always draw a rough figure first, like this. If I write this as A, B and C. What is AB? 5. What is BC? 7. What is AC? 6. So first draw a 7 centimeter line here. Now take your compass pointer over here, cut an arc of 5 centimeter from this side. Okay, again take the pointer of compass over here, cut an arc of 6 centimeter over here and join them using scale. It's not proper, but you draw it neatly in your notebook or your answer sheet. And now name them as A, B and C. So this is the first step. You'll get 1 mark over here. Okay, write them properly. 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Now you need to construct another triangle whose sides are 3 by 4. What is this? 3 by 4. So which one is bigger number from 3 and 4? It is 4. So a line which you have to draw from B such that angle CB in that line should be less than 90 degree, means the line should not be straight like this. Okay, keep that in mind. Other than straight, it can be anywhere. So always try to draw a line like this. Okay, now cut this into 4 parts, equal parts, using the same measurement. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You can name them as B1, B2, B3 and B4. Now what is the value given in denominator? It is 4, correct? So join it from here. Remember this DJ. Okay, DJ वाले बाबू गाना बजा दे और चला दे. Remember that song. And join from denominator number. It is 4. So from 4 you have to join this C value. Remember this using scale. It will be a straight line. Since I am drawing in freehand, it's not straight, but you should draw such that it's form a straight line. Got it? Now from 3, where is 3? Here, B3. From here again you have to draw a line which is of the same angle measurement on this line. You can name this as BX and B4C. Okay, you can either use protractor or just use your compass. Okay, first cut an arc from here to here, whatever the distance is given, cut using your pointer over B3 like this. Okay, now keep your pointer over here, measure this arc length, similarly cut it like this, and wherever you get intersecting line, join it, extend it to this BC, and this will form C dash. Got it? Since it's near to C. Now again you measure this angle, use compass, angle measurement, again from here angle measurement, this to this distance, this to this. Now again you get intersecting point, just extend it from here. Wherever you get a point, that is your a dash. So if you look at this carefully, you have got your new triangle. It's not straight since I'm drawing in freehand, but you try to write a dash b c dash is the similar triangle required. That's all. If you write this much, you'll get full mark. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now the question is 38th. State in proof Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so I'll just give the statement here. Proof link will be provided in the description box because I have already made a video on that. If you watch it, that's more than enough. It's very easy to understand. So this Pythagoras is valid only for a right angle triangle. So what does it says? It says that in a right angle triangle, this is hypotenuse, correct? So in a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse, okay, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. So if this is a and this is b, so it is the square of other two sides, sum of the squares of other two sides. So that is the statement. Okay, and now proof is provided in the description box. You can watch it from there. I hope you have understood this. If yes, do like the video if you have not done it yet, and share it with your friends. We'll see you all in my next video. Till then, take care, bye, have a great time, and all the best for your exam. Bye bye.